Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel Kamau. I'm a Forex intraday trader. I trade major pairs, mainly EURUSD and GBPUSD. So this is the first video of this channel, and I'm very happy, I'm very proud because I want to be of value to someone. I want to create value and maybe educate someone or even learn from you guys. So yeah, on this channel we'll be looking more of outlooks. I will be doing weekly outlooks, yearly outlooks, month outlooks, and what I'm expected, and showing you how the way I trade, and potentially maybe soon or later I'll be going to show you my trade execution, how I enter the market, and yeah, I'll be specifically showing you how I trade and how I approach this financial market. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and hope more good vibes will follow after that. So let's go to what I have planned to show you today. So what you are seeing is a classic AMD, or power of 3. This is a concept that was introduced by ICT himself, where he said price first engineers liquidity and then manipulate to fake those area buyers, and then distribute and then take off the sellers who involved in the market, and then close so this is the accumulation where market generates liquidity, and then it manipulates to gather the momentum to distribute lower. So the reason why I'm showing you this is because this is what have helped me form my bias today, or my weak bias today. So I will concentrating on this part, on this lower part. In any candle or in any range, we expect price to retrace and then close that candle. So like we open, we rally, we distribute, and then we retrace a little bit, with an estimate of maybe 30%, specifically 30%. A candle must retrace 30%. So that is what have helped me form my bias. So let me show you. So as you can see, this is 3-month candle. So that means this candle have taken a span of 3 months to form. So as you can see, this was 2024. When we came in 2025, we first distributed and took out the previous month high, which was in 2024, and formed the high of the year at this specific place. And from that place we rallied down, we distributed down, and what I'm seeing is that we have formed the low of the week. So this candle, it is retracing around 30% to form the to close that yearly candle. So our bias from 3 months 3 months time frame is that we expect more bullish to close the year candle. So that being said, also to support our bias, we can see that we have an imbalance. These are unfilled orders, and the market loves to come fill those orders and then distribute. So the market is attracted to fill this imbalance. On top of that, we have our previous month high. You can see our previous month high is there. So price loves to come take out those months. Like price is attracted to those zones more. It's likely to go to those zones. Yeah, from higher time frame we go to lower time frames to support our bullish price action on DXY. Remember, DXY is the dollar index and DXY is the controls more major pairs. That means that DXY controls major pair like EURUSD. If you are bullish in DXY, you expect EURUSD to sell, because DXY and EURUSD are negatively correlated. So whatever we will see on DXY, you will just apply to your major pair, let's say GBPUSD, and if they are correlated, you buy the pair, but if they are negative correlated, you sell the pair. So let's go to the lower time frame. I will go to 1 month time frame and to see if they are aligning with what we have seen. In 1 month time frame, you can see that we have relatively equal highs here, and what's above those highs is buy stops liquidity. So the market must come take all those liquidity resting above those places. So that is another point, that is another reason why market is likely to come at this place. And also you can see market first took the previous month low here, and then distributed, closed inside the range, and then distributed to take, and the next potentially point where the market will go, it will come to take this high above this place. And you can see we have relatively equal highs, so we are eyeing for the market to come to take those liquidity resting above that. From 1 month, let's go to 1 week to find some POV where we can enter the market. Remember, we don't just enter the market because we are bullish. We enter the market at a point of interest. That is very important. Always enter the market from a point of interest. On the 1 week, I'm not seeing much, but you can see we are bullish on 1 week. Let's go to the daily time frame. Sorry for that. Let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily, we can see we are still bullish, creating a series of higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. We can see at this point we have this particular fair value gap, which I'm eyeing the market will retrace up to that place. Remember this, the market first fills external liquidity and then target the external liquidity. So we can see maybe market can come maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday, we form the low of the week and then distribute higher, or we can just find some point of interest at this point that will support our bullish momentum. So that is on 1 day. Let's go to the 4 hours. On 4 hours, there is nothing much here, but we can see we have this order block here. From this point we have order block, and market is showing some rejection. Maybe market can use that order block to continue buying. Remember, we trade with confirmation. If you see some confirmation, we just enter. My confirmation, I use ICT 2022 mentorship for my entry. So I am looking for market structure shift and imbalance, and then I am enter from that place. So I'm looking for bullish. I'm bullish on DXY, so you should be bearish on EURUSD, GBPUSD. When we come to Forex Factory, you can see there is government shutdown which is ongoing, and nothing much on US data are tentative because of the shutdown are affected. So we will not receive NFP on this Friday, because of the government shutdown. So fundamentally there's there is nothing much that is controlling the market. So yeah, that is what I have planned to educate you on. And if you have not subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if this content was of value to you. So have a good one and have a blessed week.